Ever wondered about exploring Lausanne on a budget? Welcome to Lausanne, a charming city nestled by the tranquil Lake Geneva. Surrounded by vineyards and the majestic Alps, this vibrant city offers an array of activities that won't cost you a dime. From leisurely strolls along serene lakeside promenades to discovering hidden gems in colorful neighborhoods, Lausanne is a budget traveler's paradise, waiting to be explored. In the next few minutes, we will be exploring some of these free activities, so sit back and let's embark on this journey together. Start your day with a stroll along the Ouchy Promenade by Lake Geneva. As you meander along the promenade, you're greeted by the serene expanse of the lake. Its sapphire waters mirror the azure skies above, creating a tranquil tableau that's a feast for the eyes. But the beauty doesn't stop there. As you look ahead, the majestic Alps rise in the distance, their snow-capped peaks creating a stunning contrast against the cerulean backdrop. The mountains seem to stand guard over the city, a constant reminder of the natural beauty that surrounds Lausanne. And there, nestled between the lake and the mountains, stands the Chillon Castle. Its historic walls and towers, steeped in centuries of history, create a striking silhouette against the alpine skyline. The scene is a blend of natural beauty and architectural splendor, a testament to the charm of Lausanne. This is a perfect way to start your day in Lausanne. Next, admire the stunning architecture of Lausanne Cathedral. Try to picture this, a towering Gothic masterpiece, reaching for the sky with its intricate spires and robust stonework. This is the Lausanne Cathedral, the largest in Switzerland, and a testament to the artistic and architectural prowess of the Middle Ages. Its construction began in the 12th century, and it was consecrated as a Catholic church by Pope Gregory X in the 13th century. Now, it's a Protestant church and a National Historical Monument. Its facade is a symphony of elaborate sculptures, arches, and windows, each telling a unique story. The cathedral's exterior reflects the changing styles and tastes across centuries, making it an open book of architectural history. Its imposing presence can be felt from various corners of the city, a constant reminder of Lausanne's rich heritage. This breathtaking cathedral is a must-see in Lausanne. After the cathedral, relax in the beautiful Parc de Mon Repos. This park is an oasis of tranquility, nestled near Ouchy, and is a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. As you meander through the park, you'll come across verdant lawns, perfect for a picnic or a moment of leisure. You may even want to catch your breath under the shade of a tree or simply bask in the sun. And don't forget to explore the park's walking paths. As you stroll along these paths, you'll discover a variety of sculptures, each one with its own unique story. These art pieces add a touch of culture to the natural beauty of the park, creating a harmonious blend of art and nature. Whether you're exploring the park's hidden corners, admiring the sculptures, or just relaxing on the grass, you'll find that time slows down in Parc de Mon Repos. It truly is an ideal place for a leisurely break. For art lovers, the Cité Métisse neighborhood is a must-visit. As you wander through this vibrant district, you'll be captivated by the dynamic urban artwork that brings the streets to life. Every corner, every alley, tells a unique story, painted in vivid colors and expressed through imaginative murals. From abstract patterns to thought-provoking scenes, there's a wealth of creativity on display. This neighborhood is a living canvas, constantly evolving as artists add their own distinctive touches. The murals are more than just beautiful decorations. They're a reflection of Lausanne's cultural diversity and vibrant spirit. Each work of art embodies a different perspective, creating a rich tapestry of ideas and expressions that resonates with both locals and visitors. So, whether you're an art aficionado or simply someone who appreciates beauty in all its forms, Cité Métisse is sure to enthrall. Take the time to explore and immerse yourself in this world of color and creativity. This neighborhood will certainly add a splash of color to your day. Next, visit the trendy Flan district, known for its contemporary architecture and vibrant atmosphere. This bustling neighborhood is a hub of creativity and culture, a place where old industrial buildings have been transformed into modern lofts, offices, and shopping centers. It's like stepping into a different world, a world that's both edgy and elegant. But the Flan district is not just about shiny buildings, it's also a canvas for street artists, who have turned its walls into a vibrant gallery of urban artwork. The district's street art is as diverse as the city itself, featuring everything from abstract murals to thought-provoking installations. Each piece tells a story, adding layers of meaning to the district's urban landscape. And let's not forget the atmosphere. With its trendy bars, restaurants, and boutiques, the Flan district has a palpable energy that's hard to resist. It's a place where people come to work, play, and everything in between. This district is a great place to soak in the local culture. For those who enjoy a good hike, the Sauvabelin Tower is a great option. This wooden tower, nestled in the heart of the Sauvabelin forest, promises an adventure you won't forget. As you ascend its spiraling staircase, you'll feel a sense of anticipation building up. And trust me, the reward is well worth the effort. When you reach the top, you're greeted with a breathtaking panorama that stretches out in all directions. To the south, the sapphire waters of Lake Geneva sparkle in the sunlight, flanked by the picturesque vineyards and the majestic Alps in the distance. To the north, the lively city of Lausanne unfolds, its charming old town, modern districts, and iconic landmarks forming a beautiful mosaic of urban life. As you take in the view, the hustle and bustle of the city seem to melt away, leaving you with a sense of tranquility and awe. It's free, making it a budget-friendly activity. So why not take the road less traveled? The Sauvabelin Tower awaits. Next, wander in Lausanne's charming old town. This part of the city is an enchanting maze of winding, narrow streets and quaint squares, each one ripe for exploration. As you meander through these storied lanes, you'll encounter a delightful mix of historic architecture. From medieval houses to grand old churches, each building tells a tale from a different era, painting a vibrant picture of Lausanne's rich past. The Old Town is not just a showcase of beautiful structures, but also a hub of cultural ambiance. With its bustling cafes, eclectic shops, and colorful markets, it pulses with a lively energy that captures the spirit of Lausanne. The air is filled with the enticing aroma of Swiss cuisine wafting from local eateries, mingling with the sounds of laughter and conversation that echo through the streets. Exploring the Old Town is a great way to experience the city's history. So, take your time, soak in the atmosphere, and let the magic of Lausanne's past whisk you away. Finally, join a free walking tour of Lausanne. These tours are a treasure trove of insights, providing a deep dive into the city's rich history and vibrant culture. As you saunter through the city streets, you'll get to see key attractions, each with its own unique tale. You'll discover hidden gems tucked away in corners you might have missed if you were exploring solo. Guides often share fascinating anecdotes that weave a tapestry of Lausanne's past, bringing its centuries-old architecture and storied locales to life. They also offer insider tips on the best places to eat, shop, and relax, making your stay in Lausanne even more enjoyable. Remember, while these tours are free, it's a common courtesy to tip your guide if you found the tour informative and enjoyable. This is a fantastic way to learn more about Lausanne without breaking the bank. So, that was a quick tour of some of the best free activities in Lausanne. We started our journey strolling along the picturesque Ouchy Promenade, absorbing the breathtaking views of Lake Geneva, the Alps, and the distant Chillon Castle. Our next stop was the magnificent Lausanne Cathedral, where we admired its stunning architecture from the outside. We then took a leisurely break in the tranquil Parc de Mon Repos, before exploring the vibrant street art and murals in the Cité Métisse neighborhood. We found ourselves in the heart of Lausanne's contemporary scene as we wandered through the trendy Flon district. Our adventure continued as we hiked to the Sauvabelin Tower, taking in panoramic views of Lausanne, Lake Geneva, and the surrounding areas. We then meandered through the charming narrow streets and squares of Lausanne's Old Town, soaking in the historic architecture and cultural ambiance. We also discovered the bohemian Quartier du Rôtillon, and a glimpse of the impressive architecture at Lausanne Palace Courtyard and Palais de Rumine. Our journey concluded with a sculpture walk in Parc Montbenon, and a free walking tour of the city, covering key attractions and providing insights into Lausanne's rich history and culture. Remember, exploring a city doesn't have to be expensive, so start planning your trip to Lausanne today.